Hello everyone and welcome back to our tutorial series of Sandbus. In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to set up your email signature in Sandbus. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, everybody have a question that why we have to add email signature. So the answer is email signature is important because it reinforces brand identity and provides essential contact information with fostering trust and professionalism. It also benefits email marketing by increasing brand recognition and encouraging recipient engagement. So that's why email signature is most important. So if you want to set up your email signature in Sandbus, so first you have to go to your settings. After that, you have to select mailbox. Once you do that, then you have to select your domain where you have to add your email signature. So right now I'm selecting this. So you have to select the domain setting. After that, you have to go to this section, a signature box, where you have to write your signature. So just for an example, I'm showing you what format that you have to use for email signature. So that's how you can make a format of email signature. And after doing this, you have to go to save, then select save. And that's it. Your email signature is updated in your email domain. And whenever you want to see your email signature, go to your campaigns, then select your campaign. Or when you are creating your campaign, so just you have to select placeholder and you will see an option for signature. And that's how you set up your email signature in Sandbus. We hope this tutorial helps you to create more effective and efficient outreach campaigns. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and our support team will help you. Thank you for watching.